There are three constants: life, death, and, as we know, the third one, taxes. Tax season already underway. This year, though, could be slower than in years past. Officials with the IRS say that they have received nearly 8% fewer returns so far this year compared to in the years past at this time. So for all those still waiting to get those returns in, there's likely maybe some questions that you have this morning. We're joined by a friend of mine, CPA Ken Schwartz, who is also a tax professional. Ken, nice to have you this morning.
Thanks so much.
This is our annual discussion, right?
Where
it is the best time of year, at least for us. I know you're in the thick of it right now. A lot of questions, and I think every February or so, people want to know: are there new things as we're filing 2024? Are there new regulations, new things that we need to be aware of for this year?
Sure. Really, this year there's no new tax laws, but there's increases. So there's increases in how much you can put away in your 401k, HSA, IRA plans. There's a higher standard deduction, so people that have itemized in the past, even if they've donated, a lot of people now are just taking the higher standard deduction. And then lastly, I'm seeing a lot of clients that take advantage of new HVAC systems, windows, doors. That could be a couple $1,000s more on their tax return.
Okay, I want to go back. One of the things you just mentioned was talking about the standard deductions, how they went up last year. If you're married filing jointly, it went up about $1,500, $1,100 if you're the head of household. So for people that like to itemize,
right,
and they try to take the deduction and they also try to itemize, you can only do one or the other.
That's right, yeah.
Right, so what's your recommendation? Don't spend all that time itemizing the deductions?
Well, it depends how much more your time is worth for you. So I like going through with my clients and just going through the math. And if they get $1,000 short, they're $1,000 short. But at least they know how much. And then what you could do in that instance, with the standard deduction being so high in the future also, is you could always try to couple your charity. So instead of giving $10,000 a year to your favorite charity, why not do $20,000 in one year, skip a year, $20,000 the next year?
Okay, I hadn't thought about that. I like that. You mentioned right there at the end, though, some tax credits for energy efficiency upgrades. I mean, we're talking a couple $1,000s.
Could be.
To this. So this is something that if you know you need to make some upgrades, this could be an area that could save you some money maybe for next year?
That's right. So when you work with your window contractor, you want to make sure you're buying the best items that meet the new standards. Not all windows and doors do. Not all HVAC systems do. Sometimes, though, some of the HVAC systems know you're going to get the credit, so they may or may not be a little bit inflated.
Everyone's trying to work the system, I feel like, Ken. All right, so some tips, some advice. As you're sitting down to get all your things together, you say use last year's return as a guideline or what?
That's right. So most people don't change. They may change a job or two, but usually you bank with the same banks. You have the same investments, same stock accounts. So a good way to get ready for 2024's taxes is to take out your 2023 tax return from last year, look at all the sources of income, and get that pile ready for this year. Get
organized. It will help you, your family, and your CPA or whoever's helping you get it together. It will help cut down on the headaches. All right, something new. A lot of people are talking about sports betting, which we know became legalized in North Carolina last year, not in South Carolina. But for those that have won, maybe lost, what are some of the regulations? What does that do to your tax preparation?
Yes, taxes on gambling is actually very confusing for a lot of people, and it should be. Hopefully it gets a little bit better, but what happens is you usually get 1099s and W-2s in the mail when you earn money from work or investments. With gambling, they haven't really caught up yet, so you may not even be aware of how much you won. You'd have to do some digging online. And to make matters even worse, you're able to deduct your gambling losses up into your gambling winnings on the federal side, but some states like North Carolina don't allow you to deduct any losses no matter how big they are. So you may have to pay taxes on the full amount of winnings.
Oh my gosh, okay, there's another headache. That's why you need to recruit a professional just so you don't get too much into the weeds. Okay, something unfortunately that a lot of folks are having to deal with in North and South Carolina, the damage left by Hurricane Helene. Yeah. Are there some tax incentives? Are there some things that residents need to know?
Right, so that's a good point. So just like you, I recently went up to the mountains in North Carolina, and it's amazing how much devastation is up there. But at least the IRS is trying to help. There's a few things they're doing. One is they've extended the tax deadline for most people to May 1st. They've also reduced or eliminated some of the interest and penalty charges on money you may owe. And then thirdly, they could have casualty losses. So if you're uninsured and people are having these great losses on their homes and property, they may be able to deduct that this year.
The final thing that I'm going to ask you, and I always love your response in this, and you always say it with a smile. Everyone is like, I want to get my refund back as quickly as possible. What's the magic button to hit to get my refund back as quickly as possible? Your response, Ken, to this is always what?
I don't like refunds. I'd rather have the
What?
money all year long. I've already gone on that vacation. I've already bought that big screen TV during the year because I get more each paycheck. Now, a lot of people do have the forced savings of a refund, and that's great. You do want to get all your money back refunded. So how would you do that quickly and most efficiently? Make sure your tax return is very accurate. Like we said, all of your sources of income have to be there. If there's any discrepancies, there'll be a delay. You also want to file online, and you want to request a refund direct deposit into your bank, not a check by mail.
See, Ken always says if you're getting a refund, that means you gave the government too much of your money. You should be hanging on to it, which is most important. So thank you for helping us get through this. We got to talk off camera about personal taxes this year. By the way, if you want to ask Ken questions, if you need a professional to help you out, understandyourtaxes.com. This man has a wealth of knowledge. We just scratched the surface this morning. Always a pleasure. Good luck this tax season, by the way, Ken. Thank you very much. All right.